I'm gonna be rich from day trading. I'm 17 years old. I haven't made a single dime from it yet, but I know it's gonna happen. I've been documenting my whole entire journey to getting my first payout online. The whole entire journey. Make sure you check out my series right here. And this is week number 36 of trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. And if you're just tuning in with me, just follow my socials down in the description below. But here's a recap of my whole journey so far, and here's a recap of last week. Last week was a great week. We passed the EWAL account, but we ended up taking a loss on the funded account. But we're not deep in drawdown. It's like easy to get out of. So this week, if we can get out of drawdown, we can potentially get 5 trades in a row. We can get this payout this week. But if not, if we get like 2 or 3 trades, winning trades this week, we can look to get this payout next week. So just stay tuned to the end, man. This gonna be a banger week. It's gonna be an exciting week. Hope I don't blow this account, man. But peace out. Here's how we ended up going break even today. Honestly, today, I'm mad at today. I ain't gonna lie. I know I always say I'm not mad at today, but today, I'm mad at today. So, market open immediately swept session lows, then low key consolidating. Honestly, I was looking for longs right here, but I didn't find no setups, and then price just dumped. Just dump, dump, dump. And I entered price into this fair value gap and then rejected off of it. I got a bad feel. I wanted to enter up here, but I entered all the way down here. But at the same time, I just want the most confident in it just because we had a 5 minute fair value gap right above this high. And then I don't know. I just want the most confident in it. So as soon as price went into profits right here, I went break even. As soon as I got stopped at break even, boom, right to my TP. And then another trade I was thinking about taking was right off of this inverse fair value gap and changing the state and just targeting just this right here. And this would have ended up playing out, but I didn't take it just because I was fearful. Honestly, being fearful has messed up a lot of my trades, a lot of my going in trades. It has messed up me taking trades and me getting break even on most of my trades. And honestly, I'm really just about to set a stop loss instead of TP and just let it rock out at this point because I just got to take the trades, man. I just got to let them run. We took no trades today, and honestly, it was nothing really today. I wanted price to come sweep session lows right here before going higher, but market opened and then just immediately shot higher. So it was just nothing for me. It was no long setups for me at all whatsoever. So we just didn't trade at all today. And yeah. Here's how we ended up going break even today. We're flat at the count. We was down $200, but the break even we was break even for $200. So now we just 50K flat. So my trade for the day, price retraced into its big imbalance, then it rejected off, had a 5 minute inverse or 3 minute inverse. So I just entered just before high impact news was at 10 a.m. just before I entered at 9:52, and price came up, then news happened, and it did this, and I got stopped out at break even right here. I dragged my stop all the way up here for break even, not all the way down here. And honestly, it's just like 9 out of 10 times that I go break even, it stops me out, then goes to my TP. So honestly, I'm finna just stop going break even completely because this is getting out of hand. Because I would be up so much, like I would have been past my eval. I would have dang near had to pay out, but. Now I know for next time because my overall direction just be right. I just got to get my psychology right and just stop caring. Maybe just step away from the charts and let it rock out. I don't know. But yeah, this was the trade for the day, man. And we going to try to get back tomorrow, man. Here's how we ended up taking a loss and then a dub. But we'll get to that later. So the first trade we took, we literally brought out the high. Just We were just looking for continuation. We had an inverse on the high time frame, a change in the state on the high time frame, and I was just looking for price to continue higher. We just respected this order block right here, so I'm like, okay, we want to just continue higher. So I'm just trying to go with the trend, go higher, put my stop down here. Goes up a little bit, then boom, stop me out, right? I'm not mad because it was in my strategy. I didn't force it or nothing like that, and I didn't just move it to break even. So. But after that, I kind of forced a couple trades, but I ended up winning. I don't even know what I took, but I think it was on this big candle down here. I took something and we ended up hitting. And then we was down 400 on this trade. And then with that, we ended up making 600. So we up $200 now. And we can't trade tomorrow because it's bank holiday. So this is gonna be the end of the week. So we ended the week up $200. And I know it's not the way I wanted to be up, but nevertheless, we up, you know. I don't really want to, but it's just like a part of me that just does it, just does just gambles or whatever. That just takes those trades that shouldn't be taken. But it played out this time, but I know every time it won't play out. So I gotta definitely tighten up on my risk management, psychology, and just stop forcing and be okay with the loss. Well, that wraps up week number 36 of trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. And this week wasn't a bad week whatsoever. It wasn't the best. We didn't scale all the way up, almost get this payout, but we not in drawdown. We not deep in drawdown. We good. We in a good position. We in a good, like, I like where we at. We got 3 winning days. I took a lot of break evens, but those counted as winning days. So I have 3 winning days total. Only need 2 more winning days to get a payout. But nah, I'm gonna say that for next video. I'm gonna say that for next video. But yeah, I mean, I like it where we at, man. We in a good spot. I'm gonna just keep trying to be patient. Keep trying to take setups that align with my strategy. Keep being me and doing me, man. Cause I know I can get this next week. Next week, it might be the week. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that week number 37. But the lesson I learned from this week is that it's like don't look for answers and everything else. Like the answers is genuinely within you, within your mind. Like you know what to do, you just have to do it. It's just like from Kung Fu Panda, but like I forgot the thing, the secret thing that Tai Lung was searching for was nothing. It was just within them. You know what I'm saying? Maybe if y'all pick it up when I'm putting on, if y'all watch Kung Fu Panda, if y'all didn't, then I'm chatting and I seem kind of weird. But it's just like you have all the answers. You just need to go out and do it, man. You just need to stop breaking your rules. Stop trading different setups. Trade your setup. Be patient, and you will see results. Because ever since I started doing that, I've been seeing results. Great results. Good results. And I know I'm gonna continue to see those results as I continue to follow my rules and strategy. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Just again, I'm saying it. Stay tuned for next week. Next week could be the week. But I don't want to jinx it or nothing like that. So just stay tuned for next week. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, man.